Hello, guys. This video will show you how to meet special customs clearance requirements. Let's start with the first step, modifying the themes. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Online Store tab. From there, select Themes. In the Done section, click More and choose Edit Default Theme Content. Then, head over to Checkout and System and scroll down to find Checkout Contact. If you are targeting Chile or Korea exclusively, fill in RUT or Custom Clearance Information (CCI) in the company label box. For those of you doing business in multiple countries, including Chile and Korea, fill in the optional company label box with the same words. This will allow customers outside of Chile and Korea to dismiss this field if it doesn't apply to them. Don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Now, it's time to follow the second step, modifying the settings. Once you are in Shopify dashboard, access Settings and then click Checkout. Scroll to Customer Information and under Company Name, select Required if you fill in the company label box or select Optional if you fill in the optional company labeled box. Click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!